Doing here DIY is I'm putting a thin bed of mud down in this toilet. It's to bring the tile up flush with this floating floorboard. There was tiles down here, but the owner took them up. They were a bit drummy, so we couldn't go over them. This is like I could mix up self-leveling, but at 40 bucks a bag and $10 a bag for screed, and I do it in a short time. It would probably take 3 bags, so DIYs, that's sort of 120 bucks, and if I spend $12 and use mud, and it takes me a short time to screed it, because all I'm doing is just laying it level, so it's not going to take long. I'm going to do the laundry floor the same. Seeing it's a small tile, I'll give it a little bit of slope in the laundry or home and hose. Kicking ass, they say. So we're just going in level. If you do screed like this and you've got tiles already, make sure you wipe them off with a sponge. Because it's quite hard to get off in a day or two. Easier to do it straight away. So once I've got all my perimeter done, I'll just grab a sponge and a bucket of water. So you just come in level, and then I'll just drag it back with my 800 level. The width is 900, so it's a bang on length. Friday today, so it's the weekend tomorrow. But I want to pump out this job and another one, and then I take a month off. I've got relations coming over to stay for a month from overseas. Yeah, nice and level, cool. I'll probably be working next Saturday because I want to waterproof this other bathroom, but that's all right. Now all we do is drag it back. I'll get my sponge in a minute, wipe it off. Right, we're nice and level. It's up a little bit. That's better. Right, I'll wipe that off before I come out too far. We'll see you soon. Bye.